मैं ग्रामर को तवज्जो नहीं देता मेरे इंग्लिश बोलने में।
वाह, शायरी।
स्टेटमेंट था भाई, रिकॉर्ड कर ले यार। सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड विदाउट अ ग्रामर।
You are listening to The Chupacabra Show.
When I was in my graduation year, first year I suppose, I visited Nathdwara.
Okay.
I remember an incident that it's a true story with me actually. I went to visit Srinathji temple, Mangla Darshan, morning 5:30 I suppose, or 4:30. I went to the temple with one friend of mine. We were 7 friends. We went there, just out of curiosity, we should visit the place. But when I went inside that premises where his spiritual, that his presence is there in a murti, I went inside. I didn't look anywhere. I just looked into his eyes. And what I remember after that my friend was pulling me out of there, and I was the last person there. And they
Oh,
were just
wow.
closing the doors. And it was around half an hour time. And many thousands of people visit that time very fast. They pull you out. They didn't let you stand there. How I was there for that long, why I don't remember. And what I found myself after that crying, like tears was like this. And that was my first spiritual experience, very high one. So I think kind of found God there.
ऐसा मैंने सुना है कि अगर कोई स्पिरिचुअल एक्सपीरियंस इंसान को होता है ना, रोना इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग विच हैपेंस। लाइक आपका वो आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंस, आई नेवर हैपेंड विद मी।
I think that is the only thing which are not in our control.
हाँ, मतलब वो आउट ऑफ बॉडी कंट्रोल होता है कि बॉडी अपने आप ही
And
कुछ
that shows
रिएक्शन निकालती
emotional
है।
connect. That's why that happens. Because that gland is connected to emotional reactions after, release of cortisol in that manner.
So if we can consider this experience as the most positive experience you had, then is there a
No, I
bottom
had
one?
many positive experience after
No,
that.
listen.
You
Then
know,
what is the
I have
most
crossed
bottom
my
one?
threshold very long ago. Man.
तो खराब एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है ऐसा? लाइक भूत टाइप?
नेगेटिव नहीं हुआ कभी.
क्या हुआ था?
नेगेटिव कुछ नहीं हुआ था.
तो हुआ क्या था?
लोगों ने मेरे ऊपर काफी टोटके कराए थे, जिन तक भेजे थे. सबसे मैंने मांडोली कर ली. पता नहीं किस लेवल पे था मैं, but who was protecting me, but I somehow not got indulged by anyone or anything. That happened with me, man. That level I have reached. And after that, I get to know the scientific part of it. That's why I got very clear what happened with me.
Okay, what is the scientific part of it?
It connected to what your body gives output of what is happening. Everything is that.
Okay.
And everything is controlled by your brain, and your brain is controlled by your own thought process. Whatever will you think about yourself in the mirror will gonna happen with you. If you start saying every day, every time, I'm great, I'm good, I'm great, you're gonna be there because you're thinking about it. Everything is done here. And what
Here, by
happens?
here, he's trying to, symbolize his brain. Because you can't watch it, so I'm telling it.
It happens in your brain.
Right.
I should have mentioned it, man. Thanks for
Got
the
it.
cue.
Okay, let's start with your experience of culture of Jodhpur or Rajasthan in general. Or if you want to be like little precise, we can be. About that too.
See, my father has a very good attachment with some persons from the royal family, because that much of a good friend my father was, like childhood friends. Was a very good friend of mine. I don't know what padwa he had, but he was a close brother of Gat Singh ji. And he used to spend half of his time, most of the days I saw him sitting in my house and having chat with my father.
तो तुझे पर्सनली जोधपुर के कल्चर ने कैसे इम्पैक्ट किया? बिकॉज यू कम फ्रॉम अ बंगाली फैमिली, राइट? एंड देन यू लिव इन राजस्थान.
Exactly.
And that is a cultural, I don't know what, like आप अपने घर में जो बात कर रहे हो, that is in Bengali, right?
Yeah, most of the time.
बट आप घर के जैसे ही बाहर निकलते हो, कोई बंगाली में बात नहीं कर रहा है.
हाँ,
ये कल्चरल शिफ्ट नहीं है बहुत भारी
वाला, क्योंकि बंगाली मेरे लिए एक सिर्फ सपोर्टिव लैंग्वेज है, जिसे मैं मेरे घर वालों से एक अलग भाषा में बात कर सकता हूँ. एंड ऑफ द डे फॉर मी करंटली इट इज माई बंगाली. व्हाट इज फॉर मी द लैंग्वेज, द कल्चरल शिफ्ट. आई एम फ्रॉम द थर्ड जनरेशन इन द सिटी ऑफ माई फैमिली. It's around 100 years now, even before the independence. I have been a more of a Jodhpurite than any other of the ethnicity in this area.
नहीं बट मैं बस उस लैंग्वेज के ऊपर पूछ रहा था कि लाइक घर का तो अलग ही सीन चल रहा है, बाहर का अलग ही होता है.
बाहर का इसलिए होता है कि मेरे को सोसाइटी में कन्वर्स करना है, तो मेरे लिए कौन सी बेटर चीज़ है बोलने के लिए. और मैं बताऊं, तीनों लैंग्वेजों में से मतलब मुझे लिखनी पढ़नी सिर्फ हिंदी और इंग्लिश आती, ठीक है. बंगाली मुझे लिखनी पढ़नी नहीं आती, सिर्फ बोलनी आती, क्योंकि मैंने सुनी इसलिए मैं बोल पाया. So that is the reality. If you go to the side,
और अच्छा क्या स्पिरिचुअल एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, बिकॉज़ आई थिंक यू आर हिंजिंग ऑन दैट लिटिल.
और तो काफी places I have visited, feelings I had, what on the level of spirituality I've been, especially on the mountains it happens because you get a very greater connect with the spirituality in the nature.
सो बेस्ट लाइक हिमाचल एक्सपीरियंस क्या था?
मतलब उसमें एक नेगेटिविटी भी थी, पर एक बहुत खतरनाक वाली पॉजिटिविटी थी.
ये बेस्ट होते हैं, मैं बता रहा हूँ.
मैं पुलगा से पीछे वाला रास्ते से, जो नीचे ऑफिस, वो पंप हाउस बना हुआ है ना, एक छोटा सा
हाँ.
ब्रिज है, सीधा वो बरसानी चढ़ना
डैम
पड़ता
के
है.
नीचे से जो जाता है,
हाँ हाँ
बहुत पुराना रास्ता है,
हाँ. और वो बरसातों में कैसा होता है,
बहुत
जिग
मजेदार.
जिग 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 जिग, यानी आप फिसल पट्टी में मजे से जा सकते हो. वहाँ पे मैं 3 बार नीचे जाते जाते बचा, और तीसरी बार तो मुझे खुद को हिम्मत करके बचाना पड़ा, क्योंकि मैं सीधा यूं नीचे जा रहा था फुल स्पीड से. उस बीच में पता नहीं भगवान नजर आया, ये तो तेरे को खुद को ही करना पड़ेगा. हिम्मत करी, यूं पलटा, दोनों हाथों से अपने आप को रोका, और मुझे बचाने के लिए बंदा आया, वो खुद फिसल. पर उसके बाद नीचे पहुंच के उस ब्रिज पे पूरे टाइम यूं खड़ा रहा 10 मिनट तक. वो नदी की बरसात के साथ में बड़ी हवा है ना, गीला. आई वॉज वेट लाइक I don't know on which level, but my body got, I don't know what on which level I was there.
हाँ,
But भी है,
instinct काम करते हैं ऐसे
मतलब
point पे,
ब्रेन
right?
का लेवल अपने रिएक्शन से पता नहीं कौन से हार्मोन रिलीज हुआ, और मेरा ब्रेन कौन से लेवल पे पहुंच गया. बिकॉज व्हाट द जूस ब्रेन रन्स ऑन इज द हार्मोन वी रिलीज. Whatever inside the society, whether it's spiritual or targeted something else, everything is a perspective we live our life along with. And that's what our brain works like.
ओके, एक
Whatever we do, we think like that.
कुछ सेलेबल कंटेंट बनाते हैं, तो रील बनाते हैं.
बना ले reel.
ठीक है. टॉप 3 टू विजिट प्लेसेस इन राजस्थान.
Top visited places in Rajasthan.
नहीं, टॉप 3 टू विजिट प्लेसेस इन राजस्थान.
Mount Abu जरूर जाना चाहिए. It's a must go. And second one should be, but I've never enjoyed it there. I don't know how.
हाउ इज इट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड?
Because I've never enjoyed that place on that level, but people could.
व्हाट?
Pushkar.
ओके, पुष्कर इज गुड.
Second place should be that.
फर्स्ट प्लेस, नो माइंड.
Hmm?
कुछ नहीं. फर्स्ट प्लेस आई थिंक
No,
पुष्कर has to
before
be
going
first.
any place, it could be the first place.
आई थिंक अगर एक इंसान नो लिसन पॉइंट, मतलब थर्ड प्लेस का दादे, फिर उसके बाद आगे At
I
least
can
वो आ
understand
जाए.
your point of view, man.
नहीं, मैं आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड पुष्कर पे करना चाहता था, बट एक बार बता दे थर्ड प्लेस कौन सी है अगर राजस्थान आना हो.
मेरे लिए तो स्पिरिचुअल प्लेस है, पर यू मस्ट विजिट, दैट इज नाथद्वारा.
ना द्वारा, चलो डन है.
जरूर जाना चाहिए.
ठीक है, अब आते हैं पुष्कर पे. आई थिंक
I think you could find something if you are spiritual enough to find things.
विल डू. सो आई थिंक अगर कोई इंसान पहली बार लाइफ में राजस्थान आ रहा है, तो उसे पुष्कर जाना चाहिए सबसे पहले. इट गिव्स अ गुड इंप्रेशन ऑफ राजस्थान. पीपल आर फ्रेंडली.
See, in my opinion, 3 places you should visit, but I didn't counted one which I didn't because we were sitting in it. The first place is Jodhpur, man.
नहीं.
Yeah, exactly.
जोधपुर आना चाहिए. अगर एक मतलब 10 दिन का एक विंडो होता है जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ती है, तब जोधपुर आना चाहिए.
मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ ना, उसी समय राजस्थान घूमो. राजस्थानी फूड इज माय फेवरेट फूड.
ठीक है, तो जोधपुर में 5 बेस्ट डिशेस कौन सी है?
दाल ढोकली तो एक है ही है, मस्त
Okay.
बनती है.
और दाल ढोकली क्या होती है? मतलब इफ समवन डजंट नो हु इज लिसनिंग के दाल ढोकली क्या होती है?
मैंने बनावनी इतनी आवे भाई कि मैं बनाया नहीं कभी. मैं लुगाई ने आवे
टेक्सचर,
बनाया.
टेस्ट वैसे तो बता ही सकता है. लाइक
आटे के कुछ गोले बने हुए होते हैं, सांभर वड़े जैसे दिखते हैं, पर वो कुक्ड होता है दाल के अंदर, और वो आटे से बनते हैं, इसलिए रोटी और दाल खाने के बराबर ही होता है. पर
Okay.
इट इज कुक्ड अ डिफरेंट वे एंड दे आर कुक्ड टुगेदर. देयर इज अ वेरी गुड इनर लेयर ऑफ टेस्ट इनसाइड इट व्हिच इज वेरी चेरिशेबल फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम.
सो आई थिंक इट्स लाइक दाल ऑफ दाल बाटी वाली दाल.
Kind of like that, but when it is cooked with the,
दाल कौन सी है? मूंग की दाल होती है ना, आई थिंक.
depends which household you are cooking it. It depends. Many households have different kind of dal.
तो अपने घर पे कैसे बनती है?
अपने घर पे मूंग और मसूर की दाल ये ज्यादातर रहती है, तो ज्यादातर मूंग दाल की बनाते हैं अपने यहाँ.
ठीक है, तो अपने को चाहिए मूंग मसूर की दाल, आटा.
मूंग मसूर मिक्स करोगे तो अजीब सी बन जाएगी, थोड़ी सी उसका होटल वाला टेक्सचर आ जाएगा।
तो सिर्फ मसूर के लेते हैं।
नो, मूंग इज अ बेटर ऑप्शन।
ठीक है भाई।
और हरे मूंग में बनाओगे तो और मजा आ जाए। इट हैज अ गुड टेस्ट, द छिलका हैव समथिंग इन इट व्हिच गिव अ
ऑन अ लाइटर नोट मैं रेसिपी इकट्ठी करने की कोशिश कर रहा था। थैंक यू सो मच।
डिफरेंट।
What do you think we should do for the country?
If any situation or time gives to give your life for the country, you must do that, but it should not be a stupidity. Just make sure of that, because doing a stupidity is actually a stupid thing.
नहीं, what should we do like positivity? Like for example जैसे राजस्थान में आई नो के बहुत सारे लोग ये धर्मादा वगैरह करते हैं, सवामणीज होती है, ठीक है, मतलब they try to
You can do one thing only if you want to do good to the society. Just one thing which will actually work and which is working from thousands of years.
what's that?
Get a fucking successful person in your life or be a one.
So how will it help society?
Because when you'll be able to do shit, you can do shit. That's the fucking reality of this world. Go around, check the volume of doing good things. Who are there? 90% of people are those fucking people who I'm talking about. Are successful rich brats who are donating that.
But they don't do shit for society, bro. Society मैं बताता हूँ मिडिल क्लास से बहुत ज़्यादा अपलिफ्ट होती है। रीज़न बीइंग मिडिल क्लास जो धर्म के दबाव में रहता है ना, वो दान पुण्य धर्मादा, जैसे अपने यहाँ पे ये राजस्थान में कल्चर है जैसे तेरुंडा वाला, अभी जो एक निर्जरा 11 गई थी, निर्जरा 11,
हाँ हाँ
ठीक है, उसके अंदर 13 लोगों को आप बांटते हो, घर की सवासनी जो होती है नॉर्मल, दैट इज अ गुड कल्चर आई थिंक।
There are many different cultures everywhere in Rajasthan, man. I've seen lot
So
of them.
this kind of thing is also there, na?
Yeah, this
Like
kind
to
of thing is
uplift the
there.
society. I think community helping.
Yeah,
will-
but on a very lower levels. What I'm talking about is the topmost level where you should be in your life. That is the mool thing. You just asked me a question. What is the one thing to do good of the society?
What?
Be fucking successful.
Arey, I
You
get
can
it.
do shit then.
But
That's
that is
my
what you are doing
straight
for
answer.
yourself, na, not for society.
Hmm.
आप एक सेकंड, सक्सेस इज नॉट अ माइलस्टोन, सक्सेस इज अ अनअचीवेबल गोल बेसिकली।
No. Why you think so?
दिस इज
Were those people who are successful currently thought that? I don't think so.
Yeah, they always know.
No.
Because it's a very subconscious thing to do, right?
Exactly.
When you're successful,
Somehow
you're
many
successful.
many
But successful
many
is
of
a-
them somehow in the way found spirituality and got there where they are.
So, for example, your name is Samudra. Okay, sorry, not Samudra is not a good name. Give me a good Rajasthani random name.
Ramesh.
Okay. So, for example, your name is Ramesh, and people put a position with you, Saab. ठीक है, जी लगाते हैं.
Yes.
So that is where it is, right? Individualism में जो respect आनी है, वो है.
वो तो सोसाइटी
That
लेवल
is human
जस्ट
connection.
ग्रास रूट लेवल की बात कर रहा था।
पर सक्सेस का उससे कोई रिलेशन नहीं है यार। तेरी सक्सेस का रिलेशन
देख,
तो खुद से ही है।
मेरी बात सुन, तू जो मेरे से डिस्कस करना चाह रहा है वो तो मैं समझ गया, पर तूने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा उसका आंसर क्या है? तू उस आंसर की डेप्थ को समझा?
हाँ मैं समझा। लाइक आई
क्या
वांट टू
समझा?
डिस्कस इट
तो डिस्कस दैट नो, क्या समझा उस डेप्थ को? गेट a status in the society very large that you can do anything and nobody is going to poke you. That he's too much large, we should not mess with that, because doing good has two ways, two faces. Sometimes if you're not capable of handling things, people will get in your way and stop you doing that, because you somehow will be doing good, so something bad will happening to them because of that. It's a rule of nature. Action creates a reaction. If you are going to help needies, some might be some person or some group might be extorting out of them. That's why they're needy. So you never know.
So
that
how
happens.
to help someone?
How to help someone? Be filthy rich. Whatever you do, no one will poke you. Whatever you do, shit. Those guys
अरे
will never
नहीं.
think to poke with a billionaire, man. Hey, he can do shit, man.
हाँ, he can do it. Like अच्छा,
Exactly.
फिर अगर okay,
Exactly.
so I got it. I understand now. I'm sorry. I am little redundant person. वो होता है ना मोटी बुद्धि वाले लोग. Let's just think from that.
See, that's a straight answer to it. You ask the question, what you should do good, if you want to do good for the society.
नहीं मैं समझ गया. I'm sorry.
Get rich, you can
I'm
do
sorry. I
anything.
interrupted a lot.
And then ask the question to yourself. That's my answer relating to. I'm giving you everybody with my answer targets. Stop everything shit. Just try to do one thing. Get successful in your life.
I am also getting into the point of view of my own self now. Like मैं खुद को है ना अभी तक
Then
zero
you'll
करके-
find the right answers, because you'll be having all the ways to find the answers.
Because I think I have asked you questions before on camera.
Uh,
What is life?
yeah,
ये
what is
question
life?
था.
Yeah, life.
And your
is
answer was loser is fucked forever.
That is a hard reality and truth and a part and parcel of the life itself.
So when it is 50 degrees hot in Rajasthan,
Exactly.
we were sitting under a tree. There was no fan, nothing.
Yeah.
And you gave me loser is fucked forever.
Yes.
I think I was living in a narc anyway.
See, why I gave you that answer, because that's the most right answer at that kind of point and situation. And situation changes for everyone every time. Now, currently, if you ask me what the question was,
What is life?
what is life? Life is part and parcel of many things. There are three parts of it. First part, you have no control of it because it's your childhood. It has been given to you. You didn't make it. Maybe somehow something bad has happened to you and you have made a part in the earlier life. That happens because that is also a part and parcel of closed society. When the society is closed,
फैमिली के कॉन्वर्सेशन फैमिली में ही रह जाते हैं जब.
जहाँ पे ये ज़्यादा होता है ना, लोग आसपास वालों से डिस्कस नहीं करते हैं. जहाँ पे ओपन सोसाइटीज होती है ना, आसपास वालों को घर में कुछ होता है, 4 जनों को पता ही होता है और 4 को तो वो खुद ही फोन करके बोलते हैं यार ये हो गया क्या करें. दैट इज अ ओपन सोसाइटी.
या
बट क्लोज सोसाइटी is આપણે घर में कहीं चल रही हो, આપણે પડોશી ઠાર नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. वो कटे हुए.
सो इज क्लोज मतलब better
Everything has its negatives and positives.
So,
Bad
in
is
your
bad.
probability scale. Let's just get
Probability
into that.
scale. See,
What do you support?
Both of them on given situations.
Okay, that's better answer. It has to be
It
dynamic.
depends on the situation
It
where
has
you
to
are
be
in.
dynamic.
It has to be dynamic because you never know what situation you're in, what you might have to follow.
Ah.
That's what Chanakya taught, man. If you're not following him, you're screwing yourself. Yourself. only.
What did Chanakya teach?
React to the situation, not the person, not the other people around it. React to the situation. What you must do on the situation.
That's good.
When you do that,
I have an addition to this. Okay, so I agree with the said format. Okay, you have to react to the situation, not to the person or anything. Okay, I have an addition to this. So whenever I take decision based on okay, there might be a lot of loss to it, but there are some time loss is agreeable.
see, when you divide every part of doing things in different categories
Huh.
and follow a singular rule in that category and different rules in different categories, and then take your judgment. You can, atomize or, you can do changes in your decision making outcomes, but you have to think that whole process as a chess game. If I do that, this will happen. If I do that, this will happen. If you can do that in very minimalist of few seconds or what, you will be a very good decision maker. Many high decision makers do that. That's fucking level I've met people of. They're thinking like that.